Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Amazon SES for email notifications in mobile apps step by step clearly. Create an Amazon Web Services account if you haven't already. Log into the AWS Management Console. In the search bar, type SES and select Simple Email Service. Choose the region where you want to activate SES. Click on Verify a new email address to begin the setup. Enter the email address you want to use for notifications and click Verify this email address. Check your inbox for a verification email and click the Return to the SES dashboard and select email addresses to confirm the verification status. Navigate to the SMTP settings section. Click on Create My SMTP Credentials. Assign a username and click Create. Note down the access key and secret key provided, as you will need them later. Go to the Sending Statistics section to check your sending limits. To increase sending limits, navigate to the Sending Limit Request page. Fill out the required information and submit your request. While waiting for approval, switch SES to production mode to lift any sending limitations. Configure your mobile app to use SES for email notifications. Integrate the SMTP settings into your application's email functionality. Use the access key, secret key, and the verified email address in your app's configuration. Test the email functionality to ensure notifications are sent successfully. Monitor your SES dashboard for sending statistics and other analytics. That's how you activate Amazon SES for email notifications in your mobile apps. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.